The Paris cuddle? Aww, sweet girls. Daddy. Daddy cuddles? Aww. Mama? Aww. Can see it. Be mama, be. Oh,
I love you, Celine.
oh, that's so sweet, sweetie. For sure, Celine loves you too. Hi guys, good afternoon. Today is Sunday and order ako ng Uber Eats kasi nagugutom ako guys. And while I was browsing Uber Eats, nakita ko tong restaurant na to na they also cook Filipino food. So I miss my Filipino food. So ayan, bumili ako ng Filipino style spaghetti with barbecue chicken and lechon kawali. So yeah, Daddy Mike and baby Celine is currently sleeping. It is, I think, 4 o'clock na ngayon. Yeah, it's nearly 4 o'clock. It's 3:48. Wait now, come here. Do you want to see what Mama? And here's Ate Paris. She has been watching TV. What's that you're eating? Chocolate. So, just a little update. Ngayon lang tayo nakapag-vlog ulit. Site. Ito yung spaghetti. And, pagpasensyahan nyo na ang ating hagardong face. So, wala kaming vlog kahapon. Yesterday, we took Celine to emergency sa hospital. Kasi since nakauwi kami from Pinas, nilalagdat siya every single day. And every time that sinecheck ko yung kanyang temperature, it's above 38 degrees. We've been giving her like Nurofen and that. Pero kahapon kasi sobrang init na niya. And then, umabot ng 39.6. So sabi ko kay Daddy Mike, let's take her to the emergency. So, ayun. Kaya, yeah. Oh my God, ang mukha ng mami niyo eh. Wala kaming masyadong magandang tulog since nakauwi kami kasi Celine ay paiyak-iyak. And kahapon, nakauwi kami around 9 o'clock. So, pumunta kami ng hospital 3. So, we stayed in the hospital for around 6 hours. Di ba si Daddy Mike na diagnose siya ng influenza A. So, since we are in the same room and, you know, we're very close to each other. So, namin na, yeah, kaming lahat meron. Kasi, yung boses ko pa nga, hindi pa nga nabalik. Ate Paris is actually better, which is, you know, really good. But Celine, parang continuous yung sa kanya. So, chinek kahapon yung kanyang, yes lang, yung kanyang ihi, kinuha na ng sample kasi, di ba, may UTI siya last year. So, we're thinking baka nagka-UTI siya ulit. And then, you know, di ba sa Ate Paris, pina-check namin sa Pilipinas, may UTI din siya. Sabi ko, baka may UTI din si Celine. So, yun yung ginawa. And then, after that, chest x-ray. Kasi nga yung ubo niya, sobrang maplema siya. Pero kasi nga, she's still a baby, hindi pa niya nalalabas. Which makes it hard for her. And then, ano pa ba yung ginawang test? Swab. So, the results came back yung sa UTI sample na ihi niya, it's clear. So, wala siyang UTI. Last night, natanggap namin yung text message na negative siya with COVID. But, before kami umalis kahapon, pinakita sa amin ng doktor yung kanyang x-ray na there's something like shady somewhere behind the heart. They said that Celine has got pneumonia. So they started her with the antibiotics. Last night before kami umuwi, pinainom siya ng antibiotics. And then earlier this morning, pumunta kami ng chemist. Bumili kami ng kanyang antibiotics. So yung kanyang antibiotics, kailangan niyang inumin twice a day. And pinainom namin sa kanya kaninang umaga. And then, yeah, another one tonight. So, since last night, wala na siyang lagnat. It shows that the antibiotics is working, kicking in into her system. And then, medyo ano siya, mga madaling araw, paiyak-iyak siya. Konti lang, like it's nothing compared sa dumaang mga gabi. And then, uminit siya ng konti pero hindi siya katulad sa ano na sobrang init. And then nawala siya by itself. So, kayo ng umaga, she woke up not crying, although she still have the cold. And then ngayong hapon, pinatulog ko siya, nagising siya. Hindi pa siguro niya nakuha yung full sleep niya. Nagising siya, payak-iyak. Pinadede ko. Ayun, nakatulog siya ulit. So that's why she's still sleeping now. We'll just keep doing the antibiotics and hopefully she will feel better soon. And yeah, so it's been, since tumating kami galing Pinas, guys, like, kahit nung pag-alis pa lang ng Pinas, everyone was sick already. So, yeah, I'm not really impressed about that, but yeah, I had it, like the cough and that. I'm very happy na walang lagnat. And I'm still coughing up to date. Umuubo pa rin ako, sipon. But Paris is ubo, pero hindi na rin siya nilalagnat. Daddy Mike is still, he was better yesterday, and then I think he's back again today. Na medyo, ano. And then, yeah, so, the other night, nag-usap na kami ni Daddy Mike. Lechong kawali. Sabi ni Daddy Mike na, we can't do this all the time kasi, you know, we can't afford na every time na umuwi kami ng Pinas, magkakasakit kami. It's just, yeah, it's just so bad. Kaya, sabi niya sa akin na, from now on, hindi na kami uuwi ng Pinas. But, sabi niya, instead of us going to the Philippines, maybe i-plan na lang namin na maybe this year my mom and my younger brother can come. The next year maybe my sister, yung mga ganun, parang na lang namin na yung family ko yung bibisita sa amin dito. But if we really need to, na sabi niya, maybe we can do like a maximum 2 weeks, like max na yan siya. Kasi we went there for 3 weeks, diba? Last. So, yeah. Sabi nga ni Daddy Mike, we are just not equipped for this. So, ako, oo, medyo I feel, parang aanuhan pa rin ako ng sakit. But, it's worse for them kasi nga, hindi sila talaga doon. Hindi sanay yung katawan nila doon. And kahit nga ako, na rin ako, ang tawag dito sa Bisaya ka na, madutla na pud ko ba? It's because like I'm not used to being there, like living there. The bacteria in our body, it's not the same. Kaya, yeah. Seriously guys, I weighed myself this morning and I was very surprised. I was 49 kilos. What is that, love? Wow, that's beautiful. And like, I haven't seen that weight probably since my college days. Kasi, parang, ano na ako sa 50, 51, 52, ganun. But 49, my goodness. Kasi sabi ng sister ko, kumain ka, uy. Kasi hindi kasi maganda yung kain. Kasi nag-ano ako, ang tawag ito, like, I worry, parang wala din yung appetite. Yung ganun. But yeah, kasi sabi ko, bibili ako ng pagkain na talagang makaka-push sa akin na kumain. Here it is. Tingnan yung kanilang spaghetti with the roast chicken. Alam niyo yung place na to? Will's Resto? They do Mexican as well. It's not pure Filo. But I think it's, yeah. Maybe yung chef nila doon ay Filo, kaya gumagawa na sila ng Filo food. But yeah, it's not fun, guys. We're back at it again. Yeah. Getting sick and all. Just, yeah, hoping and praying that Daddy Mike and baby Celine will recover soon. And by the looks of it, like baby Celine not having the temperature anymore, like since last night, it makes me happy. She had porridge this morning. Nagluto ako ng lugaw. Konti lang yung kinain niya, pero at least may kinain siya.
A few moments later.
It's 4:30 and we are going to, where are we going to? Where are we going? Huh? Where are you going? Shops, we're going to Kmart. Here's our baby Celine. Hi, love. Hi, Bianca. Actually, she looks brighter this afternoon. You know, hopefully she'll feel much better. What are we doing at Kmart, sweetie?
Huh?
What are we doing at Kmart? You tell me. What are we getting?
I don't know.
You don't know? Seriously?
What?
We've been talking about it the whole time and you don't know.
What is it?
You have to get your school shoes.
Oh, yes.
What else?
My lunchbox.
Lunchbox. What else?
Water bottle.
Water bottle. Because?
I'm going to school tomorrow.
Yes.
Daddy and Mom's going to leave me.
Yeah, because you're a big girl.
And they're going to pick me up when classroom is over.
Come through. So, Ate Paris missed her whole week sa kanyang prep last week because we were all sick. So, tomorrow is Monday and Ate Paris is going tomorrow. Isn't that right? Yes?
I'm the only one who's better.
That's right. You're the only one who's better. Everyone else is still sick. Hi, princess!
Mine.
Princess. Where's Daddy?
My there.
Oopsie.
It says lunchbox and
I know, there.
lunchbox.
Linga, linga, ling!
Mommy,
Yan yung hindi na nabihisan, guys. Yan yung pinangtulog niya.
get my
Kasi we don't
lunchbox.
wanna bother her ba? Baka umiyak. I'll just pick her up.
Where's my
Look!
lunchbox?
Cute!
Where's my lunchbox?
Barbie nak or Paw Patrol? Or this? Hey, Daddy! Which one lang?
Daddy, Gabby.
Which one lang lang?
Let Daddy, Gabby.
Is it Gabby?
Yeah.
I thought it's Daddy.
Or Spider-Man.
It's lunch. This one is the lunch bag.
I like Barbie.
You put the lunch box inside.
I like Barbie.
Like Barbie?
But I think
How about you lang? Want
which
like
one's
that?
better? Which one looks better for me?
The Barbie's cute. Remember, Mama bought you something online as well. That one is nicer. Like that one?
Yeah.
Do you want to open? We'll see what's inside this one, babe.
Is that
Try to open it. Show me if you know how to open it. Yeah, the zippers, yeah.
Where?
No, you have to be gentle when you open it, not like that.
Nothing. It's just like this.
Yeah, that's what I mean. You have to put your lunch
I
box
think it's
in
a
there.
good one.
What is it?
Pariscado? Are they Pariscado? Aww, sweet girls. Daddy. Up, Daddy cuddles? Daddy cuddles? Daddy cuddles? Daddy went to Coles, bumili ng mga ilalagay namin sa lunchbox natin Paris bukas. Big cuddles. She must be feeling better to do that. Come back. Come back. Go hide lang, hide lang. Where's Ate Paris? Ate Paris is hiding. Where did she go? Ate Paris. Boo! Say peekaboo. Peekaboo. It's your turn, Lynn. Anak, bless mama. Mama? Aww. Can't see it, eh. Be mama, be. Ay, nakita ko sa inyo yung binili namin from Kmart. So, hindi nga kami nakapunta sa shopping center guys. Kung saan gusto ko talaga bumili ng ano ba, yung magandang quality. Kaya lang, kasi nga nagkasakit kami dito so hindi kami nakalis. Kanina kami pumunta pero sa Kmart kami pumunta. Anyways, okay lang naman na maganda rin naman yung quality dito guys. Nag-order ako online. Yun, mga parang durable talaga. Okay naman, wala namang problema. Cute din naman. Ito yung lunch box niya at Paris. With sakit ang ulo ko kapag umuubo ako guys. And then that's the lunch box. And then meron siyang lagayan ng water bottle dito. Yung binili ko online para kay Ate Paris, may pangalan na guys. Parang personalized na siya box. Nalagyan na ng mga pangalan niya. Kasi ito, kailangan ko siya sulatan. Somewhere dito, sulatan ko ng pangalan niya. Para hindi mawala. So, yun yung binili namin. And then, white socks for school. And then the shoes. So, hindi kami nakabili ng like proper talaga. But for tomorrow, she's gonna wear this. Ayan. And then, bukas, if maganda yung pakiramdam, I'll go out with baby Celine and I'll get her like proper school shoes. So while nasa Kmart kami, bumili na rin kami ito bath mat with heat indicator. I just think, I need this for Celine. Will Celine have her bath? Bili ako ng mga bagong hair ties. Ang cute lang nila. You right, Ling? Salamat, Lord. Okay yung pakiramdam ng siya. Ay, dalawa pala yung ginawa nila. This one is mahaba. Excuse me. Mahaba. Ito ay low cut. Wipes from there. And then chocolates. Then yung mga grocery na ni Daddy Mike, hindi ko na isa-isahin kasi matatagal tayo. Ayan, ito yung mga nalagay namin sa kanyang lunchbox tomorrow. Yan. And we will prepare dinner soon. Kasi 6 o'clock na. Right lang. Oh gosh! Laying down. Lying down on the floor. Sorry. Yeah, I will. Let me find the phone first. We'll have this for dinner. So, ikakat ko to siyang, maliit. And we'll have noodles together with the meat. Tapos, lagyan lang natin ng, teriyaki sauce. Oh, teriyaki sauce! Oyster sauce. Okay. Meron pa akong naiwan kanina sa binili ko ba yung Filipina food. Alangan naman ako lang kakain. So, magluluto tayo para sa family. Paris will help us cook our dinner.
My last one.
We'll have like it later after dinner.
No.
So, we put water here. And we boil it for our noodles. Okay. Hold it. 1, 2, 3, go. You ready?
No.
You have to boil a lot. Right. Put it there. Hold it. Good. Close. And push this. Yep. Alright, so now that is boiling. We'll put this in a bowl, okay? Open this one. See? See that? And you can cut it like that. Can you do it? Strong enough? Good day. Did you see? And then, yung main sports na lang yung gagamitin ko guys. Kaya lang, nilagay yung Daddy Mike sa freezer.
Yeah. Now I gotta take it out.
See? So, ito na lang yung gamitin ko.
Mine.
Yeah.
I don't want. I don't want.
You can try. A little bit. It's yummy, no? Okay, that one yet first lang. We're jumping into the other one. Put it in the bowl. Ling Ling! Wow! Put it here.
Yeah. Yeah. Baby.
Iinom ako ng paracetamol tonight guys kasi pag umubo ako kasi masakit yung skull ko dito. I'm going to change the sheets now. Kasi ito siya ay umubo tsaka nagsuka. So we'll change the sheets. Honey girl, how are you feeling, sweetheart? Parang umuwi yata yung pakiramdam niya na ilabas niya yun. Hi! Ayan, binihisan ko na yung ate niya nasa shower. Papatulog sila ng maaga kasi maaga si Ate Paris sa school bukas. Ito rin siya kasi hatid namin sa ate niya. Good news, hindi na siya nilagnat since last night. Pero yun nga, pag-ubo niya kanina siguro kasi nga yung ano ba, yung mga lema ba sa loob, gusto niya talagang ilabas. I love you, princess. Shush! Marag korek. Ay, Josh! Ah, sure. Love you. Girl, high five, sorry. High five. High five. Hi. High five ba? Oh.
Good night, Celine.
Ate Paris is going to sleep now. Sa kanyang big room. Ay, Jiki Celine. Yan, lagyan na siya dali ng cream niya.
Oh.
She gotta sleep. Say good night,
See you
baby.
tomorrow, guys.
See you tomorrow. Where are you going tomorrow?
School.
Are you excited?
Yeah.
Okay, say good night, mommy.
See you tomorrow.
Love you. Halalala. Yun na yung isa. Uy. Good night, the Paris.
I love you, Celine.
Oh, that's so sweet, sweetie. For sure, Celine loves you too.
Don't sleep in my bed tonight.
Yan na naman siya. Celine will sleep with mama tonight. Okay?
And I will hold you.
Yeah. Kasi kinakadali is waiting.
Naman miling di lang man yung makita ling. Mura may horse ride din ling.
Hi. Video call. Say hi, Mac. Hindi makita niyo
Hi
na.
vlog.
Balik din si LDR.
everyone. We're very ngit-ngit kayo. We
Sobrang
miss
dilim
you
doon.
vlog.
Ling!
Okay.
Lah, tita's calling me.
Head, shoulders, knees, and toes. Oh, face lagi ito rin.
Hey, shoulders. Santas, ay, straight ko
Shoulders
niya.
and toes, knees and toes. Dang.
Oopsie, ala, katulog ko namin. Barag naman stutski. Barag na stutski, Brad. Hey, good night na. Mag-good night at anak. Good night? Katulog ko siguro yung makoy, guys. 9 na.
Weekon.
Not even with my hoodie on. Made you look. I made you look.
Up.
I look good in my Versace dress. I look hotter with my morning hair's a mess. Wala na sa akin, ah. Okay, go to your side now. Come back. Lay down. Night, night. Night, night, Lini. Bumuti yung pakiramdam niya after niya magsuka, ah.